The ongoing flood disaster in Italy has destroyed many structures. Experts are worried that the scale of the disaster is increasing day by day. Doomsday is approaching. The world is heading towards a mass extinction. Let's analyze the details of the news together. Hello, welcome to Disaster Pulse, where we report on the uncontrolled power of nature, the destruction it wreaks, and humanity's struggle against these disasters. From earthquakes to storms, floods to volcanic eruptions, we closely follow many events. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and meet us in the comments. If you're ready, let's get started, because nature never waits. This weekend, Italy once again showed the cruel face of nature. Heavy rains in the northern regions caused massive flooding and disrupted life in many cities. The regions of Emilia-Romagna and Toscana were hit by massive flooding, with rivers overflowing and swallowing everything in their path. These dramatic events have sent the population into panic and prompted emergency declarations. Images showed houses, cars, and farmland swept away by the floods, forcing authorities to issue emergency evacuation orders. Many villages were completely submerged, and people were taken to safe areas with the help of rescue teams. The floods created chaos on the streets as citizens desperately scrambled to save their loved ones and property. The floods have also devastated infrastructure. Roads and bridges were washed away by the strong flow of water. Some main transportation routes were closed in the north of the country, disrupting logistics and material transportation. The government responded immediately, sending emergency relief teams to the disaster area. Health and food aid was quickly organized, while mobile health services were deployed to meet the needs of the local population. Meteorology warned that the rains would continue and warned citizens to be careful. Experts point out that the effects of climate change are increasing, and such disasters may become more frequent in the future. Italy's disaster has once again demonstrated how urgent steps must be taken to combat climate change. As people unite in solidarity during these difficult times, the extent of the devastation caused by the floods is becoming clearer every day. Italy is coming together to overcome this difficult period, hoping for a rebirth. However, only time will tell how long the human will can withstand the power of nature. The solidarity in the wake of this catastrophe may be the first steps towards Italy's rebirth. Thank you for tuning in. We will continue to explore the unpredictable power of nature together. Stay tuned to Disaster Pulse for new developments and more. See you in the next video. Stay safe and stay vigilant.
Ciao.